This is how it looks. I'm going to mix it. Look at that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In case you don't know me, my name is Anabo. Thank you so much for clicking, but please consider subscribing, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, I'm still home, and today I'm going to be preparing lunch for my African family. So come along with me and I show you how we do it. Enjoy the video. So the first thing, I'm going to be mingling the posho. So this is the posho right here, which you can call the maize flour or you can call it ugali. Yes, so I'm going to be showing you how it goes. Stay tuned and watch the video up to the end. Let me know what you think of this video and let me know where you're watching me from. So guys, today we are going to be using our charcoal, which is right here. So this is the charcoal, and then I'm going to be using our local charcoal stove. It is all right here. It's the one I'm going to use. Okay, so to avoid my saucepan from over being on the charcoal stove, I put this one here. You know, we can also use it to, in case you want to roast the meat, you can use this as well, or chicken. Yeah. So when I'm cooking, I'm going to be using, this is a kettle right here, very clean. These are our kettles that we use here. It's very clean. So I've already boiled my water. I'm just adding on the charcoal, and then we are going to start cooking our ugali. So the first thing I will do is first put my water in the saucepan. And then I'll get my ugali. This is the ugali right here, the posho. So I'm going to be pouring it inside. Like this. So this is maize flour. And you do like this. So this is how you mingle the ugali. You have to make sure it is ready. I will show you how you get to know that it is ready. So guys, I think you can see that it is now ready, that the steam is too much. So you have to make sure there are no this white stuff like these ones here. It has to be, like that. Look at that. This is how we do it. So guys, today I'm going to preparing eggplants. Yes, these are the eggplants. And then I'm peeling them. This is the peeled one. And then I also have my tomatoes right here. They're really washed. Yes. So let me first peel the peelings off. So this is how you do it. Cut this one off like this. So guys, I've now peeled off my eggplants, like the top parts of the eggplants, they are now off. And then I've also tried to peel my tomatoes. These are the tomatoes. Right here. So now I'm going to be frying my sauce, and today we are going to be having fish. This is the fish we are having. Fried fish. This is what I'm going to be frying as sauce today. Let me get my cooking oil. Someone is making noise there. My niece. This is my cooking oil. And then I wait for it for some minutes. Let it can cook. Now I'm adding my onions. These are my onions. So I have to make sure it turns brownish or goldish, and then I add in my tomatoes. Yes. So let's fast wait for it to turn goldish as I prepare my eggplant. So the next thing, I'll be adding my tomatoes. So I want gravy. I want them to cook so that they can bring the gravy. But most of the time when I'm cooking my tomatoes, when I'm frying, I add their salt so that they can cook very fast. When you add their salt, they cook fast. And this is my salt. Yes, this is what I'm going to be using. This is the salt right here. So when I add in salt, the tomatoes get ready fast. So let's give it time to cook so that we can get the gravy. See you. So guys, I think now you can see that my tomatoes are now dissolving. See? I'm now starting to see the gravy coming out. So I want them to really dissolve. So let's give it some more time so that they all dissolve, and then I'll be adding in my spices. adding my spices. And this is the nyama linzari, and then my reiko. This is the reiko. So reiko helps it to be thick, the sauce to be thick. Yes, that's why we add the reiko. I'll go ahead and add in the eggplants like that. So I'm going to be giving it time to boil, and then I add in my fish, the fried fish. Look at that, looks yummy. So I'm going to give it like 10 minutes for it to cook very well, and then I add in my fish. So guys, we have added water. We have added water in the eggplants. This is how it looks. So I'm still going to give it like 4 minutes, and then I add in my fish. So this is how it looks. Look at that. Guys, this is how it looks now. It is ready. Our eggplants are ready, so I'm going to add in the fish. The fish is right here. So let me add in the fish. Right there. I'm going to mix it. Look at that. So I'm going to give it more 10 minutes for it to cook very well, and then we serve. Guys, look at that. A mixture of eggplants and fish. Let me add in some little water. Then I leave it to cook for 10 minutes. Yeah. So guys, I think I'll see you when we are serving. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and please like the video. Let me know what you think of this video. Would you want us to do such videos? Let me know in the comment section. I love you. See you when you're eating. Bye. So guys, this is the food. The food is ready. So we have ugali right here. This is ugali, and then I have my fish. This is the fish, and then the eggplants. The eggplants are also here, and my ugali right here. Looks so yummy. So guys, this is our food right here. Come and show them. Yes, so we have ugali, and then the fish is here, and then the eggplants are here. So you get the portion, you get the ugali like this, then you get your fish like this, and you get your gravy, and then you eat.
Yummy.
Yummy. I like it. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and let me enjoy my food, guys. I think I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like. Let me know what you think of this video. I love you. Bye.